Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Where we want right a hilarious exchange between Saki Kumagai and Moiki Tanikawa that drew laughter from reporters after the match against Brazil. Tsukumu, our tears smile. Why are you crying? Paris Olympics. And where's that moment happened on Paris Olympics, and where's it was a great victory for Japan women today on Paris Olympics. Check out, guys, it is a must watch moment which is viral right now.